Hey, healthy friends. My name is Leo, the personal trainer, and thank you for joining us on our 8th workout. Please have your mats and light weights ready. It's going to be a bit different today. We're going to focus on balance and coordination. If you slip up and need to reconfigure, go ahead and do so. It may seem frustrating to keep stopping and rebalancing yourself over and over again, but trust me, it will become easier the more you do it. We're going to work out our arms, shoulders, back, and legs. If you like what I do, please email me below for a free one-on-one personal training session. After you've done these and want to do it more times, please click below just for the workouts without instructions. And if you need to make these easier or are constrained when doing these, please click below for modified versions of these workouts. Let's get started. The first workout we're going to be doing is called the curl press. Go ahead and grab your weights. These are about 4 pounds each, but get whatever you're comfortable with. They don't have to be too heavy. All right, you're going to put the weights on your sides and your legs are going to be shoulder width apart. Make sure that your elbows aren't locked and just slightly bent. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, you're going to do a bicep curl. Then your elbows are going to go out and you're going to go into a shoulder press. Then inhale. As you go back down, having your elbows out and then your arms back to your sides. Please try to have control with this movement. We don't want you to just drop the weights on your side. Nice control movements, okay? It should look like this. All right, let's do it together. All right, 15 curl up presses. Let's get in position. Take a deep breath in. And 15. 14. 13 to go. Keep it going. 12 more. 11. Reach all the way up. 10. 9. Great job. 8 left. 7. Make sure you come back down slowly and in control. 6 to go. 5 more. 4 to go. Just 3 left. 2 and 1. Great job, guys. How was that? Arms and shoulders feeling nice and tight? Great. Let's move on to the 4s for your back. To do the 4s, you will get on your hands and knees, and you're going to extend one arm and the opposite leg all the way out. Then you're going to put it back down to the ground. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, it should look like this. All right, let's do them together. All right, 15 all 4s. Let's get into position. Take a deep breath in. And 15. 14. 13, keep it going. 12 to go. 11. Make sure you bring that arm and leg all the way out, nice and straight. 10 more. Doing fantastic, guys. 9. 8 left. 7 more. Keep that balance. 6 to go. Keep it going. Just 5 left. 4 more. 3. 2 and 1. Fantastic job, guys. All right. Did you feel your lower back muscles fire? If not, that's okay. It takes a bit of time for your muscles to become more efficient. I'll talk about that more in our next fact coming up. The next exercise we're going to work on is the reverse lunge knee highs. It's going to take a little bit of balance, so make sure your eyes are focused on one spot in front of you. Use only one dumbbell and choose which hand you want to start with. Whichever hand you start with, the opposite foot is going to go back behind you in the lunge position, and then you're going to do the lunge. As you do the lunge, the dumbbell is going to go up. And then after the lunge, you're going to go up and you're going to bring your knee all the way up to your chest. And do it again. Down, coming back up. Then after the set, we're going to switch sides. Okay? So it should look like this. Take a deep breath in. All right, let's do it together. All right, 15 reverse lunge knee highs. Let's get into position. Take a deep breath in. And 15, 14, 13, keep it going. 12 more. 11, 10 to go. 9 left. Get that foot nice and back behind you. 8, 7 to go. And get that foot nice and high in front of you. 6, 5 more. 4, almost there. 3, 2 and 1. Switch sides. In position. Deep breath in. And 14. 13. Keep it going. 12 more. 11. 10 to go. Doing great, guys. 9. 8 left. Get that arm nice and high in front of you. 7. 6. 5 to go. Keep that balance. 4 more. 3. 2 and 1. Great job, guys. Wow, what a workout today. How's it going so far? Are you coordinated and balanced? Please drink some water and gather your strength as I tell you fitness fact number 8. What makes your muscles so efficient and how? Remember earlier from the all fours exercise, I said that if you don't feel your lower back working, it's okay because your muscles will get more efficient. Well, why is that? Why are your muscles so inefficient in the first place? I'll give you a hint. Do you know why animals that live in the dark can't see well or are even blind? Or if you covered your eyes with something for a long while, you'd go blind too. Do you have the answer? Well, your muscles are actually very efficient and helpful. It's just sometimes when you don't work them out, they become weak. Yes, your eyeballs are muscles too, and light is your eyes workout. Have you ever heard the term, if you don't use it, you lose it? Well, that's very true for all of your muscles. So when your muscles are weak, such as your lower back, for example, the other muscles will start working harder and try to help your lower back to do whatever it is needed to be done. So instead of feeling your lower back, you may actually feel it more in your butt, your abs, and even your quadriceps. So after an exercise, when I have clients that tell me, oh, it hurts, and I ask them, what hurts? And they say, my whole body, it hurts. This means that their whole body was trying to help their weak muscles that we were trying to work out on that day. The good news is that once you continue to work out that same muscle that is weak, it will get stronger with more fibers building up. We essentially call this muscle memory, and it will tell the other muscles, I got this, I don't need you guys anymore. I've done this so many times, I can handle this myself. And that's when you will feel it at the right place where you should. And when that happens, it feels pretty amazing. Okay, are we ready to continue making our muscles more efficient? Let's continue on. All right, 20 curl-up presses. Get into position. Take a deep breath in. And 20. 19. 18 left. Keep it going. 17. 16 to go. 15 more. Make sure you're reaching all the way up. 14. 13 left. Make sure you're standing up nice and tall. 12 more. 11. 10 more. Keep it going. 9 to go. 8. 7. Make sure you come back down slowly and in control. 6 left. 5 to go. Doing great, guys. 4. 3. Nice and high. 2. And 1. Great job, guys. All right, 20 all fours. Let's get into position. Take a deep breath in. And 20. 19. 18. Keep it going. 17 left. 16. Keep that balance. 15 more. 14 to go. 13. Make sure your arms and legs are stretching all the way out. 12 to go. 11. 10. Really feel it on your lower back. 9 more. 8 to go. Nice and controlled movements. 7 left. 6. 5 more. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Great work, guys. All right, 20 reverse lunge knee highs. Get into position. Deep breath in. And 20. 19. 18. Keep it going. 17. 16 left. 15 to go. 14 more. 13, keep that balance. 12 more. 11. 10. 9 to go. Get that arm all the way out. 8. 7. 6 more. Get that foot all the way back there. 5. 4. 3. 2. And 1. Switch positions. Get into position. Deep breath in. And 20. 19. 18 to go. Keep it going. 17. 16 left. 15 more. 14. Bend both the knees. 13. 12 to go. 11. 10 more. 9. Get that knee nice and high to your chest. 8. 7. Just 6 left, guys. 5. 4 more. 3. 2. And 1. Great job. Sweet. We have finished yet another session. For those of you who are able to keep that coordination and balance, pat yourselves on the back. For the others who are likely frustrated at themselves for having to stop every few seconds, please don't beat yourself up too much. I've never had a client who didn't get much better at it over time. It may seem like it's taking forever, but in the grand scheme of things, you'll learn it pretty quickly if you give yourself a chance to practice, 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 and get that muscle memory engaged. Thank you once again for working out with me. If you like what I do, please email me for a one-on-one free personal training session. Stay fit, and I'll see you next time.
Look,